Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can craft a pet pouch and grow a garden to get more space for your pets in your inventory. So to craft a pet pouch you'll need corn dog. The recipe for that is a corn, a pine cone, and pepper. And you're just going to use your cooking kit that you get from your achievements in your garden guide to get the cooking kit obviously. And then I'll just go and use my recall wrench, go through the crafting table, select recipe, and select the pet pouch. I am going to craft mine. So get your corn dog, submit item, get a small treat, and a small toy, as well as a common egg. Then you're going to, start crafting here, and you're going to wait 30 minutes, and you'll get more space. And once the 30 minutes are over, you can go back to the crafting tables and press claim on your pet pouch. Here is the pet pouch. And to use it, you're just going to press on it again. Hold on. Before I press it, I need a good thumbnail, y'all. Hold on, give me 1 second. Then you're just going to basically press on it. I'm just going to take a screenshot real quick here, but you're just going to press on it to increase your pet inventory. It does only increase the pet inventory by 1. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.